Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to use the OBS Studio on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to use the OBS Studio on your computer, first you'll be required to download and install it. You can see I have already installed it, so I will not installing it again. But now to start using your OBS Studio from this interface, you need to know a couple of things before you get started. You can see you can use OBS Studio to either start streaming or recording your video on your device or your computer, and you can start a replay buffer, you can start a virtual camera with here from over here, and you can go to the studio mode settings from over here. Now with that being said, we are on currently the recording mode of the OBS Studio. Now to record, you can see on the left side of your screen there is the scene, and over here just beside the scene there is the sources. Here is the audio mixer, here is the scene transitions, and after that here is the controls. And with that being said, now to first, since we are recording the computer or recording my computer on OBS Studio, let's start with the recording. Now to record, after opening your OBS Studio, you will see the start record button over here. But to record before that, first you will be required to choose a scene over here. I have two scenes. You can create by right clicking on interface anywhere on this interface and click on add, and you will be able to add a scene to which on different scenes you will be able to enter or record a different type of videos from different types of sources. For example, I'm on this scene which says the scene only, and on this scene category there is the sources, and of these scenes these display sources will be redirected or will be recorded on this scene. And if you want to add sources to here, you can just right click on this interface again, hover over add, and you can add all these applications or sources on over here. And from application audio capture to audio input capture, output capture, browser display capture, currently we are capturing my display right now, and you can also capture your game images and image slides. So with all these you can create a group also over there by clicking on group, and you can create a new group, and you can place over here, and on this group your every video recording source will be grouped on there, and you can rename it. And after adding your video sources over here, you can see the audio mixer. You can choose either to enable or disable the desktop audios or mic or aux audio from over here. Click on settings to go to the advanced settings properties of the audio, and you can see all the audio available on your computer, their volume, their status, their balancing, their sync over here. Let's close this. And now to record your video, let's go to some settings. You can see the settings button available at the bottom of the screen. Click on settings, and over here you can see the output option available. Click on output, and over here you can see the output mode, which is my advanced. Because I'm currently editing or recording my video, I'll not be able to change it. And you can see the advanced option over here, where you'll be able to choose your recording settings over here. Type standard, there will be the FFmpeg codec available over here. But if you're beginning to use your OBS Studio, I recommend you stick to the standard one over here. And after that, this is the recording part on which your videos from the OBS Studio will be saved. Your recording format, you will be able to choose or choose your recording format like MP4 and FLV and many of those video formats from over here. Currently it's the MP4 for me. And you can see the audio track. You can record up to 6 tracks at once for your audio quality if you are a professional audio mixer or a sound engineer. And this will be your encoder. Choose your encoder to X24 if you have the minimal computer setup installment, or if you have a graphics card available, the graphics card will be available on the encoder, which should be the NVIDIA. And this is your rescale output. I'm still recording on the OBS Studio, that's why it's still on the 1920 into 180 1080, because I'm not able to change it, but you will be able to change it any time you like. And after that, you can see all of these settings over here, and these are your encoder settings on your video. If you want, I recommend you put a bitrate of 6000 kbps, because YouTube and Twitch, those streaming servers, those streaming platforms require a minimum of 5000 kbps, and if you put it to 6000 kbps, it will automatically rebalance itself. And I have enabled these encoder settings to the best for the minimal optimization. You can choose one of these. You can see the CPU usage is ultra fast, which means it will take less CPU, and the profile is high, and the tune is 0 latency, and the rate control is CBR, which is my encoder, and with a bit rate of 6000. These recording settings, after you have enabled it, and click on apply and click on OK and close it. And after that, after adding your recording sources, you can see you can record many type of application over here, from audio input capture to audio output. Let's click on one of these, and you can see audio output capture dialog box. Let's click on OK, and you can choose any audio output speakers over here of which you want to capture, and let's cancel this. And to delete it, you can see the audio output captured is highlighted. Either you can delete from like tapping on or hitting the delete button on your keyboard, or you can see the delete button available over here. Delete it like this and click on S, and you can delete the scenes also through the similar way. Let's delete this one, and we're on the display capture still over here. Now that being said, these were the settings for your recording, and you can see the stop recording button available, which means I'm still recording over here. With that being said, the start and stop recording button, there is the scene transitions, which kind of scene transitions you want. If you put it to fade or cut, I'm currently on fade, which means that the video which I am recording right now will be ended or transited with the fade of the duration of 300 milliseconds. And if you want to add some other effects, click over here, and you can see the swipe, slide, stinger, fade to color, luma, wipe effects over here. We'll not be going through these right now. Now to stream your video on YouTube or Twitch, you can see the settings available over here. Again, click on settings, and over here you can see the stream option available over here. Click on stream, and over here you'll be required to enter your service. Either you want to stream to YouTube, Facebook Live, LiveStream, Twitter, or your Twitch. For us it will be YouTube for now. You'll be required to enter your stream key over here. Don't show your stream key to anybody because it's precious and your computer can be hacked if you show the stream key. And you can also auto connect your account from over here, and these are the servers. After you have chosen your servers, which will be available on the YouTube Studio or the Twitch Creator Studio, similar to these on their Creator Studios. After choosing your service, choose your server, and after that enter your stream key over here, and then you can see the apply button on the bottom over here. Click on apply and click on OK. And after that, after setting your studio and the OBS studio to the same key, start the live on your YouTube account, and after that click on start stream from over here, and then your display capture or whichever input device you had captured from over here will be streaming on Twitch or YouTube, whichever you have chosen. And for beginners guide, that's it guys. You'll be required to add a scene over here, add a display capture or audio or a video source over here, and then you can mix it through over here. You have seen the audio parts over here, you know how to stream. And for beginners guys, there are another tools over here, and you can see these tools we still need to go through, but I'll not be going through all of these because this video is for the simple guide for beginners only. And the guide, this is how you use your OBS Studio. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.